Morning students, today we are going to solve another question from the Pure Mathematics 1 A levels, and the topic is about the arithmetic progression, and the question is an arithmetic progression has the first term 6 and the fifth term 18. The sum of the first n terms of the progression is greater than 2000. Okay, you need to know some concepts of the arithmetic progression. So the nth term of the arithmetic progression is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, b is the common difference, and n is the number of the terms. So if the first term is given, that is 6, so we will put 1 in place of the n, so 1 minus 1 will be 0. So the first term will be a, so it means first term a is given 6, and the fifth, so when we will put 5 in place of the n, so it will become 5 minus 1 4, so a plus 4d. So a plus 4d will be the fifth term, and the fifth term is given 18. So we will solve it now. Actually, we want to find the a and d from here. So a is 6, so we are going to put a into the equation number 1. So it will become 6 plus 4d is equal to 18. 6 will go to the right hand side, so 18 minus 6 will be 12, and d will be equal to 3. So these are the values of a and d. Okay, now the requirement in the question is the sum of the first n terms of the progression is greater than 2000. Okay, the formula for the sum of the n terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So look now, from here we are looking at the solution. So this is the formula for the sum of the nth terms of the arithmetic progression. And in the question, this is given that this is greater than 2000. So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d will be greater than 2000 according to this statement. And we have put the values of a and d into the formula. So n will remain same, a's value is 6 and d's value is 3. So we have put the values into the formula. Okay, after simplifying, we will approach here, because 2, 6 are 12 plus 3n minus 1. So after simplifying, we will approach up to here. Okay, from left hand side, this 2 will go to the right hand side. So n will be multiplied inside the bracket. So left hand side will become 3n square plus 9n, and the right hand side will become 4000. And this sign greater than is still there. Okay, from right hand side, 4000 will come to the left hand side, and here will become the equation, that is 3n square plus 9n minus 4000 greater than 0. So we will solve this equation with the help of the quadratic formula. After putting the values into the quadratic formula, you will get these factors. This sign greater than 0 is still coming as it is. From here, the answers of the n will become, so 35.045, and from the second bracket the answer will become minus 38.045. Okay, because the sign is greater than 0, so remember one thing, the concept is whenever there is the sign greater than 0, so the answers will be greater than greater value and lesser than lesser value. So look now, greater than, so n is greater than greater value, and n is lesser than lesser value. So these are the answers, but the final thing is, because n is the number of the terms and number of terms cannot be negative, so that's why we will ignore this value, and this is the answer. And because definitely number of the terms cannot be in the point form or the decimal form, number of the terms are always exact number of the terms, exact numbers. So n is greater than 35.045, so it will become n is equal to 36. So this was the question. Thank you so much.